Do you see anything? Look. What do you see?
Finderline!
Yeah, but what under the Christmas tree?
Christmas Santa!
Yeah! Look, so many presents. You have to wait. Don't open them right now. Let me, Nick. What happened to the doo-doo? Look, come here. Come, look. What happened?
Santa finished it.
He finished it?
Santa. Oh, he left his, hey Sam, you have one more, hey Sam, you have one more cookie.
That's okay. That's okay. He ate 2 of them, right?
Yes.
Yeah, look at me. Look. Are
He
you
doesn't eat too much, he said.
Yeah, that's okay. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yeah? Did you see all your gifts?
Who gave it to me?
Santa. Santa gave them yesterday. Isn't that good?
Yes, it
Yeah,
did.
yeah. Okay.
That's all mine.
Some are for Anil, I think. But some are for you, some are for Anil.
Someone's for Oak. Someone's for one for the peanut.
Ada.